Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Discord mobile tutorial on how to unpin a message. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is you'll notice that if I head over into my pinned messages, if I actually hold any of them down, I actually don't get the ability to go ahead and unpin a message. And for some reason, they don't have this as a thing that you can do on Discord mobile. So sadly, you do have to go ahead and head over to your PC and then right click whatever pinned message is up, and then you'll see it says unpinned message. I don't know why they don't have this as a feature on Discord mobile. I don't know like what they could be potentially like helping by not adding it, but hopefully they will soon. Hopefully soon all you need to do is just hold it down and press unpin. I'm not too sure why you can't right now. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. I just didn't want you to waste your time trying to figure out how to do it and you literally can't. Thank you.